DIY solar rechargeable bike backlight. This is a solar light. It's actually meant to go on like this, so at night it illuminates your door number or house number. Quite neat. It was $2. So let's turn it into something I need. So I took the screws out, and this is what is in here. It has a space for a larger battery, but they took a onboard one. Very low budget. But I took the cover just off so I can fiddle a zip tie to it. So I took the little drill and I made 2 holes, and here we have 2 holes already. Yeah. Now let's take off the cover. It's just clipped on. It should be coming off. Yeah. There we go. So now in order to get it red, I'm just using a bit of nail polish and gently the tip of it on the front of the LED. That's enough. It looks like a little monster. So now here's a little convenient hole which we can cover up with this thing. Let's pull the zip tie shut and it's on here. So now let's just snip and snap the zip ties. And we have turned this bike's ugly spot into a great safety feature. I'll show you how it looks in the dark later, when it's dark. Now it's day. And here we see how it looks at night. Clearly visible. And it's red, but the camera blanks it out a bit.